Hey everyone, this is your Nalini ma'am from Homeschool, and I have come up with this video for those students who have completed class 9 and entered to class 10. Say, are you all the one who is scared of class 10 syllabus? Or are you scared of board examinations? Or many of the schools have already started class 10 syllabus. So if your schools have started with chemistry chapters, probably they might have started with this chapter called chemical reactions and equations. So where you get to write lots of chemical equations, which you are not used to in class 9 and 8, isn't it? So are you the one who is feeling difficulty in writing those chemical equations? And there is a concept of balancing a chemical equation. So are you the one who is getting confused to balance a chemical equation, right? And if your schools have started with physics syllabus, probably they might have started with this chapter called light or electricity. So in the chapter called light, you have to draw ray diagrams. So are you getting confused to draw the ray diagrams? Or do you find difficulty in solving problems of electricity and light chapter? Then this is a perfect course for you. Suppose if they have started with bio, so are you feeling difficulty in drawing diagrams? Are you feeling difficulty in understanding some words of biology chapters? Then don't worry, go for this course. So I have come up with a specially designed bridge course for class 10. Okay, so here I am talking about bridge course for class 10 students. Okay, and this is a live course, so you don't have any recorded videos here. Okay, so this is a 10 days live course, 10 days live course. So I'll be conducting live classes every day in the evening 7 to 8, 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Okay, so this is the timing of course, and the course will start from April 15th onwards. April 15th to April 25th. Okay, so these are maybe 1 or 2 days extra. Okay, extra days also I may take up depending on the syllabus that I cover. Okay, say, and now let me give the information what I will discuss in a course. See, first and foremost, I will give the detailed idea, the very basic idea about periodic table. Periodic table. Okay, see, for the chemistry chapters, you need to have certain basics of periodic table before you go for any chapter of chemistry. Okay, so all basic aspects of periodic table will be covered, and later I'll teach you how to write molecular formula. Okay, once you know molecular formula, you can easily write chemical equations. I'll also teach you how to write chemical equations, and I'll be sharing you the trick of balancing a chemical equation. Okay, so with the help of the points that I tell you, you can easily balance any chemical equations. Okay, so without any confusion, right? And I'll also teach you the so-called electronic configuration. This is also very important for the chemistry chapters. Okay, and coming to the physics aspects, I'll teach you how to draw the ray diagrams. Okay, so there are certain basics required for ray diagrams. They are not the diagrams that has to be by hearted or practiced. You need to understand the core concept behind drawing a ray diagram. So all those necessary basics I'll provide. Okay, so after 10 days you will only observe, okay, your improvement in the basics. And this is the course meant for slow learners also. I mean, if you don't have any basics in your head, I mean, if you have a zero knowledge, then this is the best course. I will teach you from ABCD onwards. After 10 days, you will only experience yourself, and you get such a confidence to face class 10 syllabus. Okay, so ray diagram basics I'll give you, and light chapter and electricity chapters are full of numericals. Okay, so here I'll be teaching you certain tricks and easy way of calculating problems. Okay, so numerical basics also I'll give you, and for few of you the major problem is to draw the diagrams. Okay, so definitely in the life process, suppose if your schools have started this chapter called life processes, it's full of diagrams, and most of them feel difficulty with nephron diagram, heart diagram, brain diagram, etc. Okay, so I will give you certain basics to draw the diagram, and I'll show you how to draw this nephron diagram easily. Okay, so the most complicated diagram of class 10 syllabus is nephron. Okay, so for Karnataka board examinations, these diagrams will be asked, right? So I'll teach you how to draw the diagrams easily, right? So, and here and there I'll give you how to study class 10 with self motivation. Maintaining consistency is very important. It's not that 1 week or 2 weeks you will study with full seriousness, after that your seriousness becomes slower and slower, and somewhere you don't study properly in the middle, and at the end, I mean in the month of January and February, you get that nervousness and you get that fear, right? So that will affect your result. So I'll tell you certain tricks, and I'll share certain tips to maintain your consistency and to do your hard work continuously till the date of the examination. Okay, so here and there some self motivation tips also I'll be sharing with you. So these are the contents I will focus in these 10 days. Okay, so even if you don't have any basics, say you started class 10 with zero basics, then this is the best course for you. Or if you want to improve your basics, somewhere if you want to get rid of your confusions relating to balancing, writing chemical equation, drawing ray diagrams, numericals, etc., then also this is the best course for you. Okay, so this course I designed because of the request of many class 9 students. So they kept on asking me, okay, for the live classes for class 10 students, right? So the entire syllabus I will not be covering. Whatever necessary basics are required to understand class 10, to face class 10 with high confidence, those basics I am covering. If you can understand these basics properly, I think you can rock the class 10 syllabus with A's, with confidence. Okay, and not only that, in a course I will provide you the handwritten notes of all the chapters. So you have 16 chapters in class 10 syllabus, right? So all the 16 chapters complete notes. Okay, notes also I will provide, right? So these are the things available in a course, and the course price is very affordable, guys. So I am giving this course for $299 itself. Okay, see all these contents, detailed explanation will be given. So almost here I will be covering how to draw, and I will make you to draw the ray diagrams, all the ray diagrams. Okay, solving numerical onwards. So everything, balancing, and you get that grip on a concepts, right? See, if you know how to write chemical equation and balancing, all the chemistry chapters will become easier. And if you know how to draw the ray diagrams and understand certain words meaning, all bio chapters will become easier. And if you know some basics on electricity, ray diagrams, all numericals, all physics chapters will become easy. Okay, so I am making all your class 10 chapters easier. Okay, 100% easier. Even if you don't have any knowledge, say you are starting your class 10 with zero knowledge, also can take up this course. You will become hero in your class, definitely. Okay, see, this course is for this affordable price. So I specially designed this course, and don't miss out. So if you are the one who is looking for the better basics, okay, so I recommend you to opt for this course. So this is one update I wanted to give you all, and the course is available in homeschool application. So if you want to join this course, first download homeschool application. Okay, through app I'll be taking these live classes. Okay, so don't forget to download homeschool application. Link is provided in the description, and all the details you can observe there, course price and everything. So the course will start from April 15th onwards, and registrations have started today. So hurry up, don't waste your time. It is the right time to sharpen your basics, and don't delay, because as you delay, you will get more worse in understanding the concepts. So your basics have to be 100% perfect before you start any chapter of class 10. So right time, use the right time, and take right decision in right time. So that's very, very important. Guys, all the best, and see you all in a course.